Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you how to build a workflow in Dynamics CRM. We usually use workflow to initiate automation that doesn't require any user interaction. Workflows save time for users and help them in their daily work. So let's start and go to the settings, processes, and let's create a new process. Okay, let's create a workflow that creates a task after creating a new lead. So let's give it a name. And the category should be workflow, and the entity will be lead because we want the task to be opened from the lead entity, and then we click OK. When configuring workflows, we have 5 major areas to consider. The first one is when to start the workflow. What is the trigger for the workflow? Okay, in our example, the trigger should be record is created because we want to create the task after the lead is created. But we can start also when record status changes, record is assigned, record fields change, or record is deleted. The second thing we have to consider is the scope. If we want all users to be able to run this workflow, we have to set the scope to be organization. The third thing we have to consider is under what conditions should the action be performed. So I can select this row and add a check condition step. Okay, the condition will be that lead email does not contain data. I want the task to be created only for leads that does not have an email. So here I will select the row, and now I will create a record, a task record. You can see here all the available actions: create record, update record, assign record, send email, etc. So let's create record. And now I can set the properties of this task. Okay? And another important thing is to update the due date. The due date can be maybe 1 day after lead creation. Okay, now we will save and close. The last thing we have to consider is if this workflow should be a background, the default is background, or to convert it to a real-time workflow. Real-time workflow works just after saving or creating the record. So let's convert it. And let's activate this workflow. Okay, that's it. We just created a workflow, and let's go to the leads. And create a new lead. Let's see how it works. Let's call it run. And we will keep the email feed empty. And let's save. Let's create the lead. Okay, after creating the lead, we can see here in the activities that the task was created successfully. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have more questions regarding workflows, you can contact us. Our contact details are written below. Thank you and see you next video.